everyone, it's Janice from the Reading Train. This story is called I Like a Snack on an Iceberg by Hiskey Arno, pictures by John Sandford. I like a snack on an iceberg. I like a snack in a tree. Pecking our corn in the barnyard is perfect for Mama and me. I like a mouthful of clover. I like a bucket of scraps. We like a bowl full of warm milk before curling up for our naps. I like a mouthful of peanuts. My favorite snack is a fly. I like my snack off the table. Now everyone's angry, but why? After I eat my bananas, I throw the peels on the ground. Don't worry, I'm never fussy. I'll eat whatever's around. Snacks can be crunchy or chewy. Snacks can be messy or neat. I think my tummy is rumbling. Let's go have something to eat.